What's the meaning of curd? Curd. Curd.
Curd. Curd. Curd refers to a dairy product that is formed when milk coagulates and separates into solid curds and liquid whey. The curds are usually white or yellowish in color and have a soft, lumpy texture. Curd can be made from various types of milk, including cow, goat, and sheep. It is often used as an ingredient in cooking and baking, and is a popular component in dishes such as cheesecake, quiches, and scones. Curd also has a tangy flavor that can be enhanced by adding herbs, fruits, or spices.